how to find new incognito tab on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find the new incognito tab on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome and now click on those 3 points up there and click on the second option, which is new incognito tab. And like you see, now you've gone incognito, and just you can go back and click on new tab, and this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.